Good morning, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. This is your financial market news update, actually, and it is for Monday, the 23rd of January, 2023, and we're sitting here about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. So we're basically a little bit higher in the stock indices. Gold's getting hit, coming down to key support, I think, in the neighborhood of the 1915 area, roughly. Dollar getting a little bit of a rally, which is what's hurting the gold market, as most of the currencies backing off a fraction here. We're looking at soybeans and wheat taking it on the chin in a big way. It'll be interesting today to see what the cattle on feed report, which came out on Friday, the reaction to it is in the market. We're getting a bounce in a market of all the energies at this point. It did get a bit cooler, so we're using a bit more gas. I know I got my gas bill, and it was up. I compared it. I'm up about 20% from a year ago. That's not a little bitty jump. To me, that's a pretty good-sized jump. Basically, same amount of therms, are very close to it. So I was surprised to see that. By the way, if you're going for eggs in the store, I went yesterday to buy a dozen eggs, and I think it was $5.69 a dozen in Chicago for the grade A large egg. Wow, that's a big number. And you'll see people are going to complain about this, but it's not just here. It's avian flu, and it ran around the world. The good thing about chickens is they produce like that. So very soon you'll get past this, but right now you're going to get that food inflation, and that's going to be there. This is a quiet week of Fed talk. Why? Well, a week from, Wednesday? We're going to get the FOMC decision. So now you're into the week before, so the market gets quiet. What we have coming out today is the Conference Board's going to update their leading, lagging, and coincident economic indicators at 9. They expect it down 0.7 compared to the prior months, down 1%. Now, I do want to remind you about something. This coming Thursday, I'm having my first live webinar of the year. It's an invite only. In order to get into it, what you have to basically do is at any point you can move your cursor, if you didn't get my invite, up to the top here. An icon will appear, a form will appear right away after you click that. Go in there. If you have stock, ETF, or spider questions, please write them to me ahead of time. I cover most of the futures questions live during it, but during the webinar will open at 12:15 p.m. on Thursday, and then I start actually with it. So you're invited to join at 12:30. It ends 20 minutes later. It is not posted on the website. So it's first come, first served. To do it, I'll answer every question that I know how to answer. The beautiful thing is I don't make them up as I go. Either I have an idea of what I want to say or I say nothing, and you'll hear that from me. So we'll see what that goes like. Again, you can join it in a number of different ways. At Zoom, you can join it from your desktop, from any part that you want, and I think you'll find it quite fascinating. I'm Ira Epstein. All you need to do if you have questions is call us at 866-973-2077 or click the link up here. For sure, I'll see you then on Thursday. Take care.